A few months ago, I was on a trail run in the hills near where I live in the Scottish borders. And for a change, I wasn't listening to an audiobook or a podcast. I was running without headphones and letting my thoughts wander. After a while, I began thinking about my music, my career, about how things were going okay, I was making a living, but I had bigger plans, greater ambitions. How could I reconcile those creative ambitions with earning enough money in order to support my family? I have 3 young kids. And it suddenly dawned on me what I should be doing every day in order to figure out how to reach my artistic goals, while making a decent living at the same time. It's incredibly simple, quite obvious really. And if you're a creative person of any kind, then listen up. The insight I had, if I can call it an insight, is this. Dedicate 5 minutes at the start of each day to consciously evaluate your artistic practice, and 5 minutes in contemplation of your financial situation. Just 5 minutes. Take a few notes if you like, read them through the next day and build on them. Ask yourself the tough questions. Am I creating the art that deep in my soul I want to create? Or am I in danger of selling out or trying to hop on a trend? Can my art produce enough income yet, or not? Is my part-time or full-time job getting in the way of my artistic goals? Or is it in fact providing the income necessary to fund my creative projects? In short, am I on the right path? Having this dedicated thinking time at the start of each day can prevent these thoughts popping unbidden into your mind throughout the day and being a source of worry and distraction. This simple act of daily self-evaluation, thinking about artistic concerns as well as financial concerns, can work wonders. Too many of us, and for a long time I have been guilty of this, too many of us stumble from one artistic project to the next almost blindly. As long as we're creating something, surely that's okay, right? And as long as our bank balance is in the black, or only a little in the red, well then, no more pecuniary consideration is needed. Thank you very much. No. Since I've committed to 5 minutes of daily artistic evaluation and 5 minutes of daily financial evaluation, it's really altered for the better my own approach to my music, to how I support my family, and to how the two are intertwined. Do you have any other tips for building a fruitful artistic career? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching and good luck.